ZCash is pumping. Let's find out why. What is the price prediction for ZCash during this bull run? Everything we will explore in today's video. And really what I'll be doing is actually using AI to help me with this, because let's actually find out together, why exactly is ZCash pumping? First, Grok AI is going to point out the resurgence of privacy narrative in crypto during this late 2025 period, concerns over surveillance, scrutiny of on-chain activity. Now, I wouldn't say really the resurgence of privacy coins is the major reason behind Zcash pumping right now, because we can actually go over to the top privacy coins by market cap. And here, look, Monero's been a coin that's been out for so long. We know about Dash has been one that's been out for so long. Tornado Cash. But look here, just in the last 7 days, Tornado Cash is down 10%. Monero is only up 5%. Dash is only up 8% when Zcash is up over 30%. So it's clearly not the reason why Zcash is pumping, because the privacy narrative has been around for so long. Monero, Tornado Cash, everybody was talking about this so long ago. And even to have a look, when did Zcash actually launch? Looks like in late 2016 to really early 2017. So privacy coins have been out for so long. So that's really not the reason that we are pumping. So the second point that Grok is pointing out is imminent halving and supply scarcity. So slashing the rewards block from 3.125 Zcash to 1.56. So that actually does make a bit of sense. Obviously, the halving supply, this is happening every 4 years. That halving supply shock definitely has an effect on the market. Like, you can actually watch some of the previous videos that I've made going over the 4-year cycle and how the halving overall affects the price over time. So we definitely could say that the halving and supply scarcity does have a reasoning. So technical breakout and short squeeze dynamics. Zcash long broke long-term diagonal resistance. So they're actually squeezing shorts. So retail is getting squeezed potentially by institutional players. Let's see if Grok actually mentions that. Now, do believe that an overall short squeeze could happen. But when we do come over to the overall market cap of Zcash, up at a $10 billion market cap, it's not so much a short squeeze that's really pushing this market cap a lot higher. Here, endorsements, institutional interest, and ecosystem expansion. So high-profile calls fueled momentum from BitMEX co-founder Arthur Hayes. So I would definitely say that institutional interest has been a major reason why Zcash has actually majorly had that bullish, over 1,000% gain. Institutions are piling in. Grayscale's ZCash Trust, assets under management, Zashiwala enabled private swaps. So we can see institutions getting involved. I wouldn't say endorsements or something like BitMEX co-founder. It's really not influencers that are getting behind Zcash and pumping the price. Again, it's a $10 billion market cap coin. It's not influencers that are pushing or endorsements. The institutional interest and ecosystem expansion, wrap Zcash on decentralized exchanges, does actually make a lot of sense. Here we got the broader market rotation and regulatory context. Bitcoin's push above the 100K, fundamentals, overbought RSI, but really, I wouldn't say this is a major reason. I would say the biggest true reasons that Grok has actually pointed out is the institutional interest and overall the halving and supply scarcity, and what that actually has that effect on the overall market. Let's actually ask Grok, so what do you believe will be the price of Zcash in 2025 and 2026. So let's actually get a full price prediction from Grok. Let's actually click to think harder. Okay, so Grok is taking into account overall block rewards, current price action to actually give us this price prediction. So it's key factors influencing the price, bullish drivers, post-halving shock supply, it's growing shielded transaction usage, bearish risks, overbought technicals, so we've got RSI and those type of factors, overall cycle, market cycle. So here the minimum prediction, average prediction, and maximum prediction. So here we're saying roughly around $750 to actually close to $1,400 per coin. So that's just in 2025. So that would be over a double in price from here. So even pushing the market cap to over 20 billion. But here in 2026, actually predicting somewhat of a similar price, a little bit higher overall, basically predicting around a 300% gain or a 200% net profit trade. So Grok actually predicting around a 300% gain from current price to the overall 2026 prediction. Ultimately, Grok, like Zcash, because it has real utility in private transactions rather than hype. So overall, predicting quite a strong continuation for Zcash. Definitely saying like a 300% gain actually does make sense when we do analyze the overall market cap. You wouldn't be able to say that, we could reach a $500 billion market cap and actually overtake, basically and become one of the top cryptos by market cap. It's already number 13, already ranked one of the biggest cryptos of all time. So overall, those type of realistic gains actually make sense. And Grok has actually pointed out some interesting key factors as to why Zcash has been pumping and given that full price prediction. If you have enjoyed the video, smash the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.